A very good evening, everyone. Myself, Priya, is back again with the Hindi editorial analysis on 10 September 2020. In today's editorial analysis, we are going to discuss two articles of today's editorials, that is, Digital Disconnect, and the next one is A Necessary Pause. Okay, so firstly, in this article, we are going to discuss briefly about the article and also the vocabulary part which is in this. Digital Disconnect. Poor access to the internet in many states must be bridged urgently to help e-learners. Okay, so in many states, like at present, due to the usage of more broadband connection in all those, like every state is suffering with poor access of internet. So this must be recovered urgently. The full report of the NSO survey of household social consumption on education in India for July 2017 to June 2018 highlights the poor state of computer and internet access in several states. So in the survey which is done by NSO, from the survey is done from July 2017 to June 2018, they recorded that there is very poor access to computer and internet in some states. The disparities, okay, what remember disparities? So different, a great difference, inconsistency, imbalance. Okay, the disparities are glaring among different economic strata. Strata means different economic levels or height. Or glaring, you can say it's a dazzling or blazing, strong. It was a glaring mistake. Okay, and the next one, the digital chasm that separates the privileged from the deprived remains unbridged years after the broadband policy of 2004, and its effects are painfully evident during the pandemic as students struggle to log on to online classes. So what is the chasm? A deep fissure. Wait a minute. A deep fissure in the Earth's surface, or a gully or gulf. There is still a vast economic chasm between developed and developing countries. Privileged, wealthy, rich, affluent, or lucky or fortunate. As an ambassador, she enjoys a very privileged status. So as due to the pandemic, every student must and should log into the online classes, and now due to poor access of broadband connections and all those, it is becoming difficult for the students to access into the online classes. While some poorly connected states may be improved since the survey period, the gaps are so stark that any development could only be the modest. So evident, what is evident? Clearly seen or understood, obvious. It quickly became evident that someone had broken in. Stark, sharp, obvious, evident, sheer, utter. The stark reality is that we are facing unemployment. Okay. And the next one is, only in Delhi, Himachal Pradesh and Kerala did the survey and find internet access exceeding 50% for urban and rural households taken together, while Punjab, Haryana and Uttarakhand exceeded 40%. Unimpressive numbers still. Large states, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka had access below 20%. In today's milieu, what is milieu? A person's social environment, background, context. Young innovative artists thrive in the freewheeling milieu that a big city offers. Net access is critical, considering that even where mobile phones and laptops are available, some states provide them under student welfare programs. They cannot be meaningfully used in its absence. If net connectivity is 5% to 10% in rural Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, and West Bengal, only a slim minority can hope to do any academic work. Many remote locations have reliability problems and power deficits, making it a challenge to keep gadgets operation even offline. Prime Minister Modi has acknowledged the digital divide by announcing in his Independence Day address that all villages would be connected with optical fiber cable in 1,000 days. So on August 15th, Prime Minister Modi in his speech, what he indicated is that all the villages are also going to get broadband connection by using optical fiber within the 1,000 days. Okay, like 1000 days itself in case 2.5 years like that. This target, reflecting enhanced ambition, follows the one set in 2011 to link panchayats to a national optical fiber network to raise administrative capacities through information infrastructure. Evidently, successive governments have dropped the ball. States have not shown the alacrity. Alacrity means cheerfulness or eagerness, readiness, and all those. She is very, she is like you can say, she accepted the money with alacrity. Okay. And the next one is, evidently, states have not shown the alacrity to make a big leap either, and the deficit has now dealt a blow to students. To make up for lost time, connectivity for education must be prioritized. Mapping the needs of each district based on the NSO data will help identify areas where children need equipment and connectivity. Such efforts have been launched globally in the wake of COVID-19, some in partnership with the telecom sector to leverage its capacity for surveys and mapping. Some companies in India have made the valuable suggestion that their used desktop computers be refurbished, means renovate. So actually many of them in the festival time, they refurbish their houses. And even they renovate, like they're cleaning up the houses and making it new. Refurbished and donated, for which governments need to open a program on the new technology front, and new gigabyte speed wireless fiber standard is being viewed in developed countries as a leapfrog option to link inaccessible areas. It involves high capacity spectrum and is commercially not contentious. Contentious is nothing but controversial, disputable, or debatable, contended. The proposal is highly contentious. The government needs to look at all possibilities and go into overdrive to bridge the digital divide. Okay. So the tone of the article is analytical, and I hope every one of you have understood this video, and thank you everyone for watching this video. Thank you very much.